My Growth and Decay Assessment by Nicholas Ramos. So some basic information about North Dakota. It was added to the Union on the 2nd of November 1889. The current population as of 2018 is 755,393. The state's main source of income is from agriculture, so they're just basically in for farming. They're known for their soybeans, wheat, and corn. So, for my calculations from Desmos, I believe that the population of North Dakota in 10 years will be 837,250, in 20, 924,845, and it will be 1,021,604 in 30 years. So, a few things I learned from this is that immigrants or immigrants can affect the growth of a population of a location, and many U.S. countries can have population growth because of people coming over. Thank you and goodbye.